What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at MicroStrategy stock. It's been a minute since I made a video on MicroStrategy. In this video, I will be covering all of that. So, this morning, I live in Africa, and I'm kind of ahead of the US. So I saw. I was thinking of stocks to buy. Obviously, I bought this over the weekend. I've got the super microcomputer, which is obviously down. And, I also got MicroStrategy. And MicroStrategy performed, and I saw MicroStrategy as an opportunity because, left to me, I am more of a crypto person than stock person, and so hence the reason why so I've been trying to open a very swing trade, a long term trade on Bitcoin. So I was thinking, if Bitcoin is about to bottom out, why not I just open a long position on MicroStrategy? And if I feel Bitcoin has bottomed out, I could probably move some money or move all my long position from MicroStrategy into Bitcoin and just make profit from that too, because MicroStrategy is actually at a crazy low, which I am tempted to actually have a long position open on MicroStrategy for the longest, probably for a year or more to come. So without wasting much of your time right here, you could see this is definitely the charts. So if I should take majority of this away from here, you could see first things foremost, from the weekly time frame right here, MicroStrategy has been in a crazy uptrend. You could see we've retested this trend line so many times, and you could also see that after so many retests from this trend line, MicroStrategy has rallied massively, rallied all the way to some crazy numbers right here at $543, and you could see, sorry about that, we've been trying to break out of this resistance right here, especially for $40. We couldn't break out, hence the reason why we have been dumping ever since. So especially given the fact that we could see right here that MicroStrategy has dropped from its all-time high all the way to where it is currently. It has dropped to roughly 84% down, currently down 82%, I guess. So with the look of things right now, all I can say right now is I think MicroStrategy has bottomed out, and my liquidation price is currently at $64.48. Maybe I might add more margin to this trade because I'm still thinking of leaving this position open till probably mid next year or towards 2 years from now. It's a long position on MicroStrategy. So given the situation of things right here, I think from the daily time frame, nothing much to be expected other than the fact that we are still respecting this uptrend right here, and you could see it clearly that whenever we come in contact with this level, we always bounce. You could see we've been consolidating within this range and also respecting this trend line. You could see we retested this trend line, hence the reason why I felt this was the perfect opportunity to long MicroStrategy. So there could be a chance we could see strategy breaking out of $106.43. This, I'm still thinking that this has a high chance of playing out than this probably playing out right here, because the moment we break below this trend line right here, we're most likely going to be dropping all the way down to $71. So yeah, that's just majorly it. In terms of the article that I could lay my hands off from Yahoo Finance, we could see Michael Saylor says fixing the credit takes priority over MicroStrategy stock buybacks. So we could see, based on what I can see here, strategy quotes, I'm putting MicroStrategy, I guess. We are open to buying back MicroStrategy, which is MSTR, if it trades at a discount to NAV, or if it's the right thing for the company to do. Saylor stated during the company's second quarter earnings call, but right now it's not the highest priority for the company. Instead, Saylor said strategy is focused on ensuring that the company's primary credit instrument, the stretch preferred stock STRC, trades at PAR. The best thing we could do right now is fix the credits. He said, according to him, building a stronger credit business would ultimately do more to support the value of its common stock than an immediate share repurchase program. Saylor's comments come after strategy announced on Monday that it had sold about 3.5 million shares of MSTR common stock through its at the market program, generating more than $333 million in net proceeds. MSTR stock rose over 4% in midday trade amid a broader rally in crypto equities as Bitcoin reclaiming the $64,000 mark. Bitcoin price rose around 1.2% in the last 24 hours, recovering from a dip below 63% true over the weekend. On stock tweets, retail sentiment around MicroStrategy and Bitcoin improved to bearish from extremely bearish over the past day. So obviously, that is obviously true. You could see clearly right here that what's it called? Bitcoin is definitely up. Bitcoin did very well, but right now it is obviously looking bearish. But Bitcoin, has been doing very well. Just that Bitcoin hasn't been able to break above a very critical resistance for a while. This resistance right here, I think from this chart, if I should move to the weekly for us to see Bitcoin, you could see Bitcoin hasn't been able to break out of this resistance between 64,873 to 65,822. So Bitcoin has not been able to break out of this resistance. So I still think we could end up getting rejected from here and dropping even lower. So yep, I just majorly it, nothing too serious. I'll definitely be here to update us more. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.